Hello everyone, I'd like to introduce this Rabbitgoo decorative window film. With multiple sizes to choose from, this is a great way to increase privacy while blocking out harmful rays. This window film prevents 84% UVA rays and 99% UVB rays, as well as filters light and reduces glares. The window film works with static cling so that it remains securely in place while also being repositionable and movable. To begin the installation process, start by measuring your window film and your desired application space, then cut from the roll accordingly. The mosaic pattern offers a stylish and visually appealing effect with its reflective surface. Next, clean your desired window space with cleaner or soapy water. You want to ensure a clean surface to work with when applying the film. Then take soapy water to the clean and desired window space. The static cling effect of the film in combination with the water attaches it securely to your window. Now you're all prepared to attach your window film to your desired window space. Now you're going to want to peel off the backing and start applying it to your window. You want to make sure that you're applying your window film to a soapy and wet surface. It is recommended to remove the backing from the shorter side as you apply it. Do not pull the whole backing off before you apply, rather remove it as you go. Now you'll want to take a towel or a squeegee to push out all of the excess water and bubbles. You can also use the squeegee or the cloth to help flatten it and make it stick even further to your window. Now that you've successfully applied your window film, you can be ensured that it'll stay in place and offer some great UVB and UVA protection. This is a great way to promote privacy and also protect your furniture from the sun rays. The film also adds great style and decor to your home, especially with the beautiful reflective mosaic effect. Add privacy and sun protection into your home with this Rabbitgoo window film.